Hi, I'm Matt Hildebrand with Don's Appliances, and we're going to go over our 3 favorite cooktops. And one of the cooktops I'm right in front of is the SKS 36-inch 5-burner cooktop. This cooktop is going to come with a griddle, which is nice. So if you wanted to do pancakes, if you wanted to do sandwiches, you can utilize that. It is removable like most griddles, very, very heavy. So what you're going to find, it's a very heavy griddle. And then you're also going to have this alternative surface on the other side. So if you wanted to put pieces of bacon or something that might cause a little bit of grease, you can raise that food up above a little bit and kind of keep the food off of the grease. Another nice feature about this top, you're going to have metal knobs, brass inset burner rings, which are nice, high quality rings, okay? Very heavily built. This is a 19,000 BTU burner, so it's a very high output burner. So if you needed to bring something to a boil quickly or you were doing wok cooking, this is a great burner to utilize. Other burners have various BTU outputs ranging from 5,000 to 9,100 BTUs, but this is one of our favorite tops because of the design, because of the price, the performance, and SKS is a nice company. Here we're going to review our 36-inch Thermador 5-burner cooktop. This unit is also going to have metal knobs. What's unique about the Thermador is their star pattern burners. This is an exclusive to Thermador. It's designed to give you even heat distribution to the inside as well as the outside of your pot or pan. And what's nice is if you select a Thermador cooktop with the XLO feature, the extra low feature, what'll happen is when you take that top to the extra low, it will cycle on and off at 300 and 350 BTUs. You will have a high 19,000 BTU burner in the center, which is that great burner for pan searing things, bringing things to a quicker boil. And then you have that low capability on 2 of the burners. This burner and the front left burner, which is a 9,000 BTU on high, and then it'll go to that low simmer. But this is a great, great top. We've been selling these Thermador tops for many years. Definitely one of our favorites. And this is the last 36-inch cooktop we're going to look at. And I like saving the best for last. Wolf 36-inch gas cooktops are my personal favorite. And the big reason is the flexibility. You're going to have a high output 18,000 BTU burner in the left front, but you're also going to have capability on all the burners to go into an extra low setting. This particular top is their transition top. So when I were to turn this and this would be powered up, you would be able to see this illuminated. They also make this in a professional series that you can put the traditional Wolf red knobs with a stainless steel trim going around the perimeter, or you can change it to black, which is a nice option. But be sure to check this out as well as all of our other tops. But again, the reason why I like this is because of the high output burner capability, which all of our cooktops are going to have. The Thermador would be number 2 because it's got 2 extra low burner options. But the main reason why I prefer the Wolf over all of them, all these burners will go down into an extra low setting because of their stacked burner system. So you'll have a high output coming out at the top. As soon as you take it into extra low, that top portion of the burner will extinguish, and then you'll just have the bottom flame, which would be that 500 BTU capability on their top. And they've got that across all their ranges as well as cooktops. So be sure to comment below. We kind of went over it pretty quick. There's a lot more we could talk about, but all in all, this is our favorite. Be sure to go to donsappliances.com. Check out our other cooktops and other appliances.